Hey everyone, Steve here from Game Time Canadian Cooking. Today I'll be sharing a fresh venison sausage recipe inspired by Thanksgiving stuffing. My Nonna made the best turkey stuffing, and this sausage recipe captures those classic Thanksgiving flavors. I'll be using some venison for my 2024 muzzleloader hunt. First, I'm soaking the ground venison in water overnight to remove the blood. Tomorrow, I'll squeeze it dry in a colander, turning it from a red to a grayish pink color. For this recipe, I'm using 70% venison and 30% pork belly. For seasoning, I'm using freshly chopped rosemary, sage, onion, and garlic. I'm also using kosher salt, black pepper, white sugar, white wine, ground thyme, poultry seasoning, celery powder, and nutmeg. Make sure to sweat the onions in butter until they're translucent. Mix the venison and pork until the texture holds firmly. Flatten the meat and make holes in it so the wine doesn't spill everywhere. Then add all of your ingredients. Mix well, then taste test by frying a small piece in a frying pan. Adjust the flavors if needed. Stuff the sausage into cleaned hog casings. Make sure to use a sausage pricker to remove any air bubbles in the casings. Size up your sausage to whatever length you like, and be sure not to make the sausage too tight or too loose. Now, it's time to cook. I'm using a frying pan, but cook them however you like. When they're cooked through, it's time to enjoy. These sausages are savory, juicy, and full of Thanksgiving flavor your family and friends will love. Thanks for checking out the video. This sausage recipe is fun to make and delicious to eat. Please like and subscribe for more wild cooking content. I hope you get to try this recipe out someday, and if you do, have an extra bite for me. Thanks for watching.